Tonight, after an aerial survey of the rain-battered areas of Tamil Nadu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced an immediate release of 1,000 crore rupees for relief and rehabilitation works in Tamil Nadu. This came on a day Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh gave an assurance in Parliament of all central assistance to state governments in dealing with natural calamities.
The centre is making an all-out effort to bring relief to rain and flood-hit Chennai. Thursday saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking stock of rescue and relief work on the ground. The PM reached Tamil Nadu in the afternoon and, following an aerial survey of the flood-hit areas, announced an additional 1,000 crore rupees aid for the deluged state, apart from the 940 crores given earlier.
The damage and misery caused by the extremely heavy rainfall. The government of India stand by the people of Tamil Nadu in their hour of need. I have directed that rupees 1,000 crore be released immediately by the government of India to Tamil Nadu for immediate relief. This is over and above the rupees 940 crore which was released earlier.
The Prime Minister also met Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha and Governor K. Rozaiya. The PM took an overview of the extensive rescue and relief work being carried out by several central and state agencies. Later, he also reached out to the state's people in their own language at the INS Adyar Naval Base, assuring them of being ever ready to lend them a helping hand. Earlier, Chief Minister Jayalalitha also conducted an aerial survey of the city and its suburbs and then took a briefing from officials on flood-fighting measures. The CM has already deputed senior ministers like O. Paneerselvam to take charge of relief work in different flooded districts. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh gave a statement in the Lok Sabha over the situation. He accepted that the state of affairs in Chennai is very alarming, where the city has been reduced to an island in the wake of the most rainfall in 24 hours in over 100 years. He said that the centre will keep assisting the state government with all help possible to tackle the situation.
NDRF की 30 टीमें जिसमें कि 1014 पर्सनल्स होते हैं और उसके साथ 110 बोट्स भी हैं और साथ ही साथ आर्मी की 7 कॉलम जिसमें 434 पर्सनल्स हैं को रिलीफ एवं रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन के लिए लगा रखा है.
The flooding in Chennai and nearby areas has not reduced much despite less rain over the last 2 days. Teams of Navy, Army and NDRF have been carrying out rescue and relief work day and night. 30 teams of the NDRF, totaling to 1,200 personnel with 110 boats, are deployed in the affected areas for rescue work. The Army has also deployed 40 teams and 5 engineers for rescue and relief work. The Navy has sent in 12 boats with 255 sailors. INS Arihant is also pitching in with the rescue work with 20 divers. The Air Force is also doing all it can. The Army's teams are conducting rescue and relief work from the Begumpet Air Force Station in Hyderabad. Air Force aircraft have also been used for distributing food packets in affected areas.
The Air Force has been called upon to assist the civil administration. And since yesterday evening, the whole night, the C-17s of the Indian Air Force have been flying and carrying the NDRF teams into the flood-affected areas.
The Navy has also deployed tankers along with ships. The Air Force has converted its airbase as an alternative airport as part of Operation Madad.
Our naval teams, including our Geminis, our ships, Airavat, as well as our tanker, are deployed there with their helicopters, with our divers, with the Geminis, distributing food packets, distributing water, rescuing marooned people from remote locations.
The Airport Authority of India has decided to keep the Chennai airport shut till Sunday. Air India has now informed that it has managed to extricate its flyers who are stuck at the airport.
जिनके पास हवाई टिकट है चेन्नई जाने के लिए या चेन्नई से कहीं और जाने के लिए, उस टिकट को 10 अन्य स्थानों पे, जो साउथ में 10 अन्य स्थान है, वहां से उस टिकट को अगर किसी एडिशनल चार्ज के यूज किया जा सकता है.
Indian Railways has also taken several measures to mitigate the woes of its flood-hit passengers.
खान पान व्यवस्था देने के लिए कल 10,000 से ज़्यादा पैकेट भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए गए थे। पर्याप्त मात्रा में पानी भी, क्योंकि वो पीने की पानी की भी समस्या इस तरह से हो जाती है, पानी भी उपलब्ध किया जा रहा है। मेडिकल डॉक्टर जो हमारे रेलवे के हैं उनको भी हमने सब जगह पर तैनात रखा है।
Apart from government agencies, several less affected local residents have been volunteering to help others in need. Some are being sheltered in dry homes. People are also distributing food packets made at home and recharging mobile phones. Social media is also being used to the hilt to share information related to safety, rescue and relief. With Philip Matthews, Sanjay Ghosh and Aisha Khanam in Chennai, Newsnight Desk, DD News.